Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and navigating to Settings, then Autofill and Passwords. Sign into the profile you use to sync data so saved passwords are centralized. Once signed in, toggle on Offer to save passwords. This captures new logins automatically. Enable auto sign-in only if you trust the device. It bypasses manual entry for convenience. Make sure Chrome is updated before proceeding so options match these steps, and you won't hit version-related differences. Once you've enabled saving, inspect your stored entries by opening passwords and scanning the list. You should remove duplicates and change weak or reused passwords immediately. Run Chrome's password check to detect compromised or weak credentials. It reports breaches and suggests fixes. If you need a bulk backup, export passwords to CSV only on an encrypted, offline machine and delete the file after import. You manage risk by minimizing exposure and updating critical accounts. To finish, enable Chrome Sync and protect it with a strong account password plus two-factor authentication so passwords stay accessible across devices securely. Make sure your device uses a screen lock and OS encryption to prevent local access. Once done, test sign-in on another device to confirm sync. If sync fails, sign out and sign back in, verify account permissions, and ensure you have a stable network. Clearing cache or updating Chrome often resolves lingering sync errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.